Hello everyone! Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we explore the most innovative and boundary-pushing concepts in modern living. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving into one of the most exciting trends in modern architecture, the container guest house. Essentially, a container guest house is a secondary living space constructed from repurposed shipping containers. Those massive steel boxes used to transport goods across the ocean. By reinforcing the structure and adding insulation, windows, and high-end finishes, these industrial shells are transformed into fully functional, stylish, and comfortable living quarters. Whether it is used as a backyard retreat for visiting family, a quiet home office, or a profitable short-term rental, a container guest house represents the perfect blend of industrial grit and modern luxury. The advantages of choosing a container for your guest house are numerous, making it a favorite for homeowners looking for efficiency. One of the primary benefits is durability. Since they were built to withstand harsh conditions at sea, they are incredibly resistant to fire, pests, and extreme weather. Additionally, they are much faster to build than traditional wood frame structures because the skeleton is already complete. From a sustainability standpoint, you are giving a second life to tons of steel that might otherwise go to waste, reducing the carbon footprint of your construction. Furthermore, the modular nature of containers allows for incredible flexibility. You can stack them, join them, or keep them as a single minimalist unit depending on your budget and space. To make a container guest house truly stand out and lose that box feel, focus on blending industrial textures with natural elements. One of the most effective ways to elevate the exterior is through a mix of cladding materials. Think warm cedar wood slats paired against the original corrugated steel painted in a sophisticated matte, charcoal, or a vibrant accent color. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows are essential, as they break up the solid metal walls and invite the outdoors in. Don't forget the landscaping. Adding a raised wooden deck creates a seamless transition from the container to the garden, while strategic exterior lighting such as warm LED strips or industrial sconces can make the structure glow beautifully. At night. When it comes to style, container guest houses are surprisingly versatile. The most popular choice is the modern industrial look, which embraces the raw steel and pairs it with black metal frames and minimalist interiors. For those who want something softer, the Scandinavian retreat style uses light-colored wood, white paint, and plenty of glass to create a bright, airy sanctuary. There is also the boho chic container, which utilizes rooftop gardens, hanging plants, and colorful exterior murals to create a creative, whimsical vibe. Finally, the luxury cabin style uses dark wood siding and stone accents to help the container blend into wooded or mountainous environments, proving that these structures can look right at home in any setting. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best container guest house ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the orange sunset split level. This innovative design features two orange containers positioned to create a central glass-enclosed entryway. The elevated concrete pillars give it a floating appearance, while the slanted roofline adds a dynamic architectural element that helps with rainwater drainage and adds internal ceiling height. 2. The minimalist studio sleeper. A perfect example of less is more. This single black container features massive sliding glass doors that span nearly the entire length of the unit. The warm interior lighting creates a cozy, inviting glow against the manicured lawn, making it an ideal backyard guest suite or master bedroom extension. 3. The blue oasis with rooftop garden. This vibrant blue container guest house is all about blending with nature. Features a stunning rooftop garden with succulents and flowers. and a large wooden deck with bright orange seating that provides a cheerful contrast to the deep blue steel. 4. The solar-powered Sunshine Retreat. Bright and energetic, this yellow container guest house is designed for off-grid living, equipped with solar panels on the roof and a large white canopy for shade. It offers a sustainable and stylish solution for a remote getaway or a sun-drenched. The Industrial Cantilevered Mansion. For those who want drama, this two-story design uses a yellow container cantilevered over a gray base. The massive picture window on the top floor offers panoramic views, while the ground floor opens up completely to the yard, creating a massive indoor-outdoor entertaining space. 6. The Woodland Modernist Cabin, tucked away in a forest setting. This dark chocolate-colored container features a clean white interior and a light wood deck. The contrast between the dark exterior and the bright, minimalist kitchen inside makes it feel like a high-end hotel suite hidden in the trees. 7. The two-story glass tower. This sophisticated black steel guest house stacks two containers perpendicularly to create multiple levels of living space. With floor-to-ceiling windows on both floors, it maximizes natural light and offers a stunning, modern silhouette that looks like a piece of contemporary art. 8. The Autumn Glow Container Home. Set against a backdrop of fall foliage, this matte black container is accented by warm string light bulb fixtures and a dark wood deck lined with yellow flowers. It proves that industrial materials can feel incredibly warm and seasonal when styled with the right accessories. 9. The Urban Loft Composite. This design mixes a blue container with warm wood-framed sections and private balconies. The use of different heights and textures makes it feel like a custom-built urban home rather than a simple shipping box. Perfect for a narrow city lot. 10. The Poolside Luxury Suite, sitting right at the edge of a swimming pool. This two-story gray container guest house features a sleek glass balcony and a shaded patio. It serves as the ultimate pool house, offering a place for guests to stay and relax in total luxury. The container guest house is more than just a trend. It is a smart, sustainable, and stylish way to expand your living space. By thinking outside the box and utilizing creative materials, lighting, and layouts, you can create a guest retreat that is both functional and a conversation piece for years to come. Whether you prefer the raw industrial look or a more polished, cladded aesthetic, the possibilities are truly endless when you start with a shipping container as your canvas. If you enjoyed these container guest house ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architecture and interior design inspiration. Which of our top 10 was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on how to turn your home into a masterpiece.